So many twists and turns in this case. Now at the last minute, with the jurors already deliberating and deadlocked so far, unable to reach their verdicts, another surprise. The jurors were out of the courtroom when the attorney for the now former trooper Anthony Scott, Mac Pilgrim, asked for a mistrial. Pilgrim accused prosecutors of withholding information possibly favorable to the defense, information that the jury never got to hear. It turns out that when Scott, according to prosecutors, was driving 90 miles an hour without his flashing lights and sirens and not on an emergency call, it turns out that when Scott crashed into this car with 4 teens inside, as it crossed in front of him, it turns out that both of the teens who were killed were not, according to new testimony, not in the back seat. 2 troopers testified that they analyzed Scott's dashcam video and other evidence and concluded that Kylie Lindsay was possibly in the front seat, possibly obstructing the teen driver from seeing the oncoming trooper. But prosecutors never let the jurors hear that information. State Patrol Sergeant Chad Burrows said that information was important for investigators to know.
If she's sitting or leaning through the middle console area or sitting in the front passenger seat, yes, she would obstruct the driver's view. My opinion on this case is more than the factor that Trooper Scott was speeding. It's also a factor that Mr. Wall failed to yield the right-of-way by never attempting to slow or stop.
Scott has claimed all along that the teen driver is to blame. Assistant District Attorney Matthew Swope said he did not withhold the information from the defense. He just considered it nothing more than speculation that proved nothing.
Your Honor, the courts have held time and time again that the actions of the victim are not relevant. Where Miss Lindsay may or may not have been sitting in the car, it does not answer the question of does his speeding and does his recklessness cause those injuries or cause those deaths.
The judge said he plans to announce on Friday afternoon whether to declare a mistrial or tell the deadlocked jury to keep trying to reach their verdicts.